Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove table formatting in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill when you need to clean up your spreadsheets or start fresh with your data presentation without any preset styles. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your documents and spreadsheets are stored. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the spreadsheet where you want to remove table formatting. Simply click on it to open. This will launch the spreadsheet in a new window, giving you full access to all the editing tools and features you'll need. Now that your spreadsheet is open, the first thing you need to do is select the data you want to remove formatting from. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells, or if you want to select the entire table, you can click on the top left corner where the row and column headers meet. Make sure you've highlighted all the cells that contain the formatting you want to clear, as this will determine which areas are affected by the next step. With your data selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find various options for managing your spreadsheet. Click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with multiple formatting options that allow you to customize how your data looks. The Format menu is your go-to place for any styling changes you want to make in Google Sheets. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Clear Formatting. This action will instantly remove all formatting from your selected cells, including colors, borders, text styles, and any other visual modifications that were previously applied. Your data will remain intact, but it will return to the default clean appearance without any table styling. And that's it. You've successfully removed table formatting from your Google Sheets document. Your data is now presented in its simplest form, making it easier to apply new formatting or work with the raw information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.